So we're in Waterbury, Vermont at, right behind us, it's the Ben & Jerry factory. And we're going to tour it and buy some merch and visit the graveyard for ice cream. Of ice cream, not of people, as far as we know. And we're going to attempt the Vermonster, which is 20 scoops of ice cream, 3 cookies, a brownie, and by brownie, like
legit
brownie, like a pan of brownies,
hot fudge and caramel.
Fudge and caramel, nuts, 4 bananas,
whipped cream,
and just whatever smattering of toppings there are.
Yeah.
And we came prepared, because we're gonna need it. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
You're like Willy Wonka right now. Strawberry cheesecake tall.
You are Cherry Garcia.
dig for ice cream. No, there's... So you just took a bite full of brownie?
Bingo! Ice cream DNA.
That's ice cream right there. That's as far as we can get. We're gonna put it in the cooler.
Yeah.
And take it home because...
My God.
My God. I mean, look at this. Hold it up next to your head for me.
For scale.
Just for scale. Just show it next to your head. It's larger than a human head sized ice cream. What do you think?
Oh, it's good.
It's actually a really good flavor combo.
Yeah, it actually works, surprisingly.
All right, moment of truth. We were in the car for 3 hours, but it wasn't ice. Let's see. Did it survive? Okay, you know? Okay, well, it's kind of milkshakey, but that's okay. All right, there's totally room. Yeah, that's totally enough space for the Vermonster.
Totally.
Totally enough space.
Easy fit.
Yeah.